Good morning, all of you. First of all, I would like to ask a question. Don't you think private sector should also get involved in the development of the country? Yes, we do have such a model, that is PPP model. PPP stands for Public-Private Partnership. It is a contractual agreement between the public sector and the private sector firms which bring together their resources, their capital in order to develop the infrastructure in the country. Signature Bridge in Delhi is an example of that. It involves cash flow from both the sides, and professional approach is maintained by the private sector while the capital resources and legal protection is provided by the public sector. So therefore it is a successful model and the aim is to attain a common shared goal. Now advantages of PPP. Since public sector is involved, therefore all the citizens of the country get benefited by this, and since private sector is involved, therefore professional approach in work is there. Now, why PPP is needed? Since the public debt is increasing day by day, we are taking so many debt from the World Bank. So in order to cope up with that, in order to bring the capital from the private firms, we are adopting the PPP model for many of our projects in the country. Secondly, the public sector strengths. The public sector provides the legal protection, it provides the protection of procurement policies, and it provides the huge capital resources. At the other end, private sector also has some strengths. Private sector is a professional approach. It provides cash flow management, personal development, workflow efficiency, and many other efficient technologies, newer technologies, emerging technologies, and the professional approach is the foremost of them. Now, keys to success in the public-private partnership model. First of all, we should work at eliminating the inefficiencies of both the sectors. Secondly, we must bring together the efficiencies of both, and therefore we can have a successful PPP model working in our country. Public-private partnership can go further, can go forward, and can be a very successful idea in our country, where the cash and the capital is a very big hurdle in the development of the country. Private sector and public sector can merge their capitals, they can merge their resources, they can work together in order to develop the country, so that many of the hurdles, many of the stones that come in the way of development, they get removed by themselves. So therefore PPP model is quite a successful model. Now I would like to invite my friend to come and brief you about the types of public-private partnership model. Thank you.